Good evening, everybody. My name is Sam. I'm a Systems and Network Administrator. And tonight I wanted to show you for the very first time this video that I'm displaying, of course. This video is actually for first-time people who are using a computer for the first time of their lives. And computers and tablets and so forth have been around for, of course, many years since the beginning of the computer age and internet world. So this box here in particular is a very old system, and as you can see, it's an old Acer. It has basically very easy functions. Right here there's a button basically that controls the DVD player. This DVD player is for watching movies, playing music, and so forth. Nothing with Blu-ray because there's no Blu-ray technology on this one, but you can get one that can be compatible for this computer. Some players today require SATA cables, which is little tiny little ports that connect to the back of the unit. But just to jump forth here, you can actually put a player here. This is a little storage here. Right down here basically is the multimedia section where all the pictures and so forth go here. XD cards, SD cards, pros, and so forth all go right here, and then goes into the computer. Other features with this computer basically is got 1, 2, and 3 USB ports. You got audio and microphone. You have LED lights for hard drive and power. So basically, on all particular models of these boxes, they all come in different size and shapes. This one in particular, the power button is actually right here. If I turn it on, you can tell that it's already lighting up the power section and the DVD. So basically, once it powers on, the cycle begins throughout the whole computer. That means electricity goes to all these components, which I'll show you right now here. Let me turn this right here. And as you can see, this is the side of the computer. You have the internal fan here, which basically produces the cool air for the thermal area, which is down here. And the CPU is embedded into this thermal area. Now the CPU is the brain of the computer. So that's the one that basically processes the information throughout the whole computer with the memory modules here, as you can see here. Here's one in display right here. This is a memory module. This little guy does not store data. It processes the data and goes into the hard disk. So this is not a storage area. This is only a place where data is processed and delivered to the disk. So let me take that out of the way. And if you can see here, right down here, I don't know if you can see it, is the silver object called the hard disk. This is where the data goes into. Operating system, files, and so forth all go in here. So these are the wires that basically connect to the computer board from the power supply. Here is where all the ports here, like microphone, audio, printer, video, Ethernet, and so forth. These were all our connected devices. As we can see here in the back, right there. Okay, each one has a specific port connection for each device. So basically, this is the power supply as well, but basically the computer has its basic. And I think once we learn everything about the computer, you'll be amazed what the computer is capable of doing. Now, like I said, this system is very old, but like in today's models, the computers are much faster, of course. They have faster processors, faster memory chips, including the faster video that will meet your needs. So if you're doing photographs, if you're doing video editing and stuff like that, newer computers are the best. No doubt about it. So this is the computer here. This is a basic. Again, this is a short video, but I want to introduce this for now so you get to learn what the functions are for a computer for basic. So computers never die, of course, but The only way a computer could die is basically with two ways: electrical start discharge, if there's a ventilation that's covered the whole unit, if there's like a blanket that covers while the computer's on, that can cause serious problems. Also, a hard disk failure may occur at times, so it very happens, but when a hard disk failure occurs, it could be a problem with the application, like an operating system, or it could be one of the sectors, or it's kind of hard to explain. I don't want to go into that, but sometimes hard disks do fail in improper sector, what they call it, sector views. And, there's inside the hard disk, there's like platters, like little disks. So each of the disks is consisting of information or data that supports the operating system and the box itself, the computer. So for now, this is a short video, but I will continue to make more videos as we move along. This is a series for me to teach you how to operate computer disks in this magnitude. Unfortunately, this computer is not working properly. Even though it's on, nothing's on the screen. So that means the video on this computer, onboard video, is not working properly. So it will be fixed in the near future. But I will use, in my next video, I would hope to use a different computer system so I can show you how to turn it on with a different power button mode on. And then I can show you how to operate it when the computer is on and what to expect. Okay, my friends, I'll talk to you next time, and subscribe if you have a chance. Thank you. Bye-bye.